Hi students, welcome to Garu Smart channel. Today we are going to discuss about most important top 15 models in trigonometry. So definitely one or two bits coming in this top 15 models trigonometry. So please watch the until and unless the last video. So up to the end of the video, and also in the meanwhile, if you like this video, please just give a like. If you are the first viewer, please subscribe our channel. So definitely you are able to get a triple IT seat by watching all our videos. So don't waste our time. So let us start our trigonometric top 15 models. So before going to start the video, you just give a like. Trigonometric top 15 models. See here, sine to the power of 4 theta minus cos to the power of 4 theta. See here, this can be written as sine square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square. So I have written sine to the power of 4 theta is sine square theta whole square theta, and cos to the power of 4 theta I am writing cos square theta minus all to the power of whole square. Means a square minus b square. This is a plus b into a minus b. Means this can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta into sine square theta minus cos square theta. So this is we neglect because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So now sin square theta minus cos square theta formula is not there. So if you take out minus as common, then the formula will be there, cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is already I have given cos 2a, Brahma of the trigonometry I told. This can be written as minus cos 2a, minus cos 2a. So minus cos 2a is not there in answer. So we have to write cos 2a in terms of this one or this one or this one or this one. But we know well cos 2 is 2 cos square a minus 1, but here minus is there but is wrong. So we have to write in terms of sin only, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square a. So minus multiply means 2 sin square a minus 1. So this is the answer, 2 sin square a minus 1 or 2 sin square theta minus 1. Now see here, cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 into sin theta, then sin theta plus cos theta how much? Now simply this minus term bring to that side, then it will become cos theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 into sin theta. Now what I will do means, here I am going to multiply root 2 minus 1 on both sides. So root 2 minus 1 on both sides. Root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Here root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 2 square minus 1 square means root 2 square and root will cancel means 2 minus 1, that is sin theta. Isn't it? So this multiply this one. So root 2 into cos theta minus cos theta, that is equal to sin theta. So minus cos theta bring that side, then root 2 into cos theta is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. So they are asking cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta. What is the answer? Root 2 cos theta. Root 2 cos theta is the fourth option. See, that much easier getting. So logic we have to get. So here root 2 minus 1. So if I do rationalizing with root 2 minus 1, then it will be 1. So that concept you have to remember. Next, sin 270 plus theta. Now already I explained, this can be written as sin 3 into 90 degrees plus theta. Here 3 is odd number. If it is odd number means definitely opposite will come, that is cos theta. Now, so 390 is 190, 290, 390 plus. So here sin is, so we are taking sin here in this fourth quadrant, sin is negative, so minus cos theta. So minus cos theta is second option. So we have to see the sign of the value also. Next, A, B are acute angles, then sin A is equal to cos B, then A plus B. See here, sin A is equal to cos B can be written as sin of 90 minus B, because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sin and sin will get cancelled. A is equal to 90 minus B and A plus B is equal to 90. So 90 degrees is the answer. That is the first option. Next, sin 110. This can be written as sine 1 into 90 plus 20. So 1 means odd number, so cos 20 will be coming, but cos 20 is not there in the 4 options. So that is the add score is nothing. So we have to do another way. Means this can be written as 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70. So this 180 can be written as sine 2 into 90. 2 into 90 minus 70 degrees. So 2 is even number. If 2 is even number means sine only will come. Sine 70. Sine 70. So 2 90s and minus means back side. So plus only. Plus sine 70. So third option. Next. Tan theta we want in terms of cosecant theta. So already I have explained sin theta in terms of tan theta, like that one bit will coming. So they have given. So tan theta in terms of cosecant theta. So see here, it's very easy. Tan theta is equal to reciprocal, that is 1 by cot theta. We know very well, isn't it? Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now cot theta. So cosecant and cot relation is there. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Then cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to root over cosecant square minus 1. That is 1 by root over cosecant square theta minus 1. So this is the answer. Where is this one? Second option. Next. If sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, then cos power 8 theta plus 2 cos power 6 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to how much? This is a very big problem you are thinking, but it's very easy. Now I am saying, see here, sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? Means sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta means what? Cos square theta. So now I got sin square theta, sin theta is equal to cos square theta I got. Now this one can be written as, see this one, cos power 4 theta, this is cos power 8 theta plus 2 into like this it will be there. Now what I will do means, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. How so you are saying means, see here, this can be written as cos power 4 theta plus cos square theta whole square. I am writing. See here, cos power 4 theta whole square means cos power 8 theta. Cos square whole square means cos power 4 theta plus 2 into cos power 4 theta into cos square theta means cos power 6 theta. Means this whole square is nothing but this is only. So we have to think like that. We have to analyze. We have to analyze, then only we will get the answer. So this is a plus b whole square. Now see here, cos square means sin theta, means cos power 4 theta means sin square theta. This is a sin square theta. Cos square theta means sin theta whole square. But this value already we know very well, that is given. Sin theta plus sin square is equal to 1. So this is a 1 square, that is equal to 1. So answer 1, option 3. See, we got the answer 1. So in the speed, in the time of lack of time, so you are getting answer 1. So immediately don't bubble 1 because that is wrong answer. In the first option minus 1 is there. So don't do like that. We are getting answer means 1 means that one answer where it is that is you have to see, that number you have to bubble. Here 3 it is 1. So option 3 we have to bubble. Next. Find the x value in this equation. See, this is a very big one you are thinking, but it's very easy. So that's what this top 15 models I am selecting. I have selected like this. See here, x into pi means 180. Pi means 180. So 6 1 ja 6 30 ja. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. 45 5 by 4 means 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2. See, cot 30 degrees. Cot 30 is root 3. Root 3 whole cube means 3 root 3. Root 3 whole cube means 3 root 3. Secant 60 degrees. So secant 60 means cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. Secant 60 is 2. Isn't it? So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and secant 60 is 2. Tan 45 that is 1. Secant square 45 means root 2 whole square means 4. Next cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 is 2. 2 cancel, and 2 ones are 2 ones are 4 cancel, then x is equal to 3 root 3 into 2 will be there, somewhat missing, so that is means 6 root 3. 6 root 3 is the answer. So once again we will check sin 60. So see 180 means 6 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos square 45 means 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2, and this is 3 root 3. Secant 60 means 2, tan 45 is 1, and cosecant square 45 means root 2 whole square means that is 2. Okay, so this is a root 2 whole square means 2. Root 2 whole square means 2. So, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This one more 2 is there. So, 2 into 3, 2 3 is a 6 root 3. So, answer 6 root 3 is the correct answer. Next. Cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. Cos a plus b is 1 by 2 means cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 means a plus b is equal to 60. A minus b is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 means a minus b is equal to 30. A minus b is equal to 30. So we want only a means subtract. So we want a means don't subtract, only simply add. So 2a is equal to 90. A is equal to 45. A is equal to 45 degrees. So answer third option. Next, pi by 3 we want. See, already I have explained 90 degrees is equal to 100 grades. I explained 90 degrees is equal to 100 grades. So 90 degrees means what? Pi by 2. 90 degrees means what? Pi by 2. But we want pi by 3. So what I have to do? So this 2 multiply that side, then pi is equal to 200 grades. Pi is equal to 200 grades. So pi by 3 is equal to 200 by 3 grades. 200 by 3 grades is the first option. Next. Now cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 into and so on, cos 2020 degrees. So cos 2020 degrees if you multiply, then you won't write to exam. You need not to write exam because this one problem is enough, isn't it? So there is a small logic is there. In the between cos 90 is there, isn't it? In the between cos 90 is somewhere it will be there. So cos 90 is 0. 0 into anything? 0. So answer second option. Next, 1 radian is equal to how many degrees? 1 radian is equal to how many degrees? So we know very well pi radian is equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? Now 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. Pi means 22 by 7. So now 7 zeros are 0, 7 eights are 56, 5, 7 ones are 7. So 1 2 by 12, isn't it? Otherwise, so 11 6 3 0. So 2 table I am multiplying. Now 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. Then 8 will be there. So 80, isn't it? 11 7s are 77. So 3 will be there. So 57 degrees. In the 4 options, 57 degrees 16 minutes. So this is the second option. We need not to do. If 57 is there in another option, we have to continue. Otherwise, no need. Next. Cosecant 750 degrees. Cosecant 750 degrees. See here, cosecant, this 750 can be written as 720 because 9 table 720 is there. So 6 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 are 9 8 are. So 8 9 are 72. So 8 into 90 plus 30, isn't it? So this can be written as 720 plus 30. So 7 9s are 82. 7 9s are 82. Now this 8 is even number. So cosecant only will come. So cosecant 30 degrees. Now 8 90s, 190, 290, 390, 490, 590, 690, 790s, 890s plus. In the first quadrant it is plus only. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is equal to 2. So answer is 2. That is the first option. Next. Cot theta minus 170 theta. So see here, first of all we have to do minus common, then that is 1170 minus theta. So cot minus theta is minus cot theta. minus cot theta. So in the 4 options, minus cot theta is the fourth option. So means cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. In the minus cot theta only one option is there. That's the only answer. Otherwise minus cot 1170 minus cot. So in the 90 table you have to see how many times it is going 90 tables. So 117 by 9 and 1s are 9, 27, 9 3s are. So 13 means 13 into 90 minus theta. So you don't judge by seeing the only answer. So 13 into 90 minus theta. 13 into 90 minus theta. So that is 13 is an odd number. So tan only will come, tan theta. So minus. So 13. So 1, 4. So this is a 4, 8, 12. 13 minus first quadrant, so minus tan theta. So minus tan theta is the first option. Sorry, so this is a minus tan theta. By seeing we should not judge, we have to do. So that's the problem. Next, secant theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 and secant cube theta cos cube theta how much? See here, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, isn't it? No, a plus b whole cube means they have given a plus b is 1. So 1 cube minus 3. So a into means secant theta into cos theta 1. So 3 into 1. A plus b already they have given into 1. That means 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. So option 2. So minus 2 is the answer. So this is the top 15 models which are most very important. So like this they will give, because in the model paper also they have given in trigonometry somewhat difficult. So definitely you are going to face a difficult problems in trigonometry. So that's what I am explaining. More than 500 bits in today. So 7 o'clock. So those who want to listen that 500 bits, please join the membership. So either through YouTube or PhonePe or Google Pay. So if you want to pay through YouTube, I am also very happy because we are giving YouTube money. So they are providing us. So please join in our membership if you want more practice. Otherwise these are the enough for getting good marks for getting a triple IT seat. So thank you very much. Bye bye.